Biggest takeaway so far is that the system works. It's been a little over a year, and a lot of the stuff that I've implemented has made a drastic change. So just eager to learn the rest of it and put it in play. Well, I just don't focus on the quantity of jobs anymore. I focus on the quality of them and the margin and just getting the right jobs versus all the jobs. We did just 10 jobs last year and instead of 15, and made more money and had a good year, a happy year. And that's true. I can pretty much fit my day into a 7 to 5 where it used to be 5 to 7. That's led to more time to go home and spend time with the family, do trips. We actually took a week-long vacation last summer, and usually we only took 2 or 3 days here and there. So, and we had the money to do it too. So, we wasn't worried about it. So, yeah, it's made a huge difference. And I hear I'm much more fun to work with from my subs and my secretary. So I'm in a better mood.